Delegating. Another important tool in your stress management kit is delegating. You can delegate at home and at work. Done properly, delegating can reduce your workload and your stress level. One common myth is that delegating is all or nothing. Here's a brief overview of the 4 levels of delegation. Level 1. No authority. If the assignment is especially important or difficult, or if the type of assignment is new to the person, it's often wise for you to assume all authority. This level of authority should be used as little as possible since it indicates a low level of trust. Even so, use this level when you have doubts about the successful completion of the task, or when the task is so important that you want a high degree of involvement. Level 2. Minimal authority. As the person gains experience, it is desirable to allow him or her greater latitude in action. This method allows the person to have a say in determining his or her goals and performance standards. At the same time, you stay informed of the person's progress and have an opportunity to intervene if difficult problems arise. Level 3. Medium authority. This level of authority allows the person to make some levels of decisions without you. For this level of authority, the person sets the goals, plans, and performance standards. The person then acts autonomously, with regular status reports to you, and consults you only if he or she encounters a particularly difficult problem or customer. Level 4. Complete authority. When the person has demonstrated competence in completing the type of task assigned, you can grant complete authority. You will be completely removed from the assignment, even after it is completed. This is the level managers should hope to achieve with most employees on most assignments. When properly executed, this level gives you more discretionary time and the confidence that all work is being completed as scheduled. With this level of authority, you have only minimal interaction with the team member in the form of a status report. Although the descriptions above are typically used in an office setting, you can delegate at home too. Every member of the family over the age of 2 should participate in household chores. Small children can place their clothes in the laundry hamper, make their bed, set the table, and feed pets. Older children can help cook meals, particularly if it's an easy chore like mixing up a salad kit, walk the dog, and load the dishwasher.